What is going on YouTube? We have a huge box of Lucha Libre, lots of cool stuff, masks, everything. Here we go. Okay. Lucha Libre Superstore. Careful not to cut any of the masks. Ooh, here we go. Look at all this. Okay. Let's try and get back a little bit. First up, we have a sticker. Try and do this kind of quickish. Oh, look at this. We have a new La parka. How cool that is. La parka. Next up. Okay. Grande, Americana. Then we have three by the same Soberano Junior. You have an orange edition. We have a red edition. We have a white edition. We have this. Oh, the head's coming off. Just like Mexico. Put that there. Just for now. Oh, red cap. Okay, we have some t-shirts in here. Oh no, we have a grill apron. Look at that. How cool is that apron? A máscara. What else do we have? Fanny pack. Very cool, very cool. I forgot about this. We have cheesy Rey Mysterio sleeve tattoos. Not that I need them, but yeah, Rey Mysterio sleeve tattoos. We have a t-shirt. Dominic. I literally didn't know how you fitted all this in here. Another shirt. We have my boy Laredo Kid figure. Got the shirt for my wife. cool is that? Okay, this is the special one. Super special, this one. Why is it special, I hear you ask yourself? Because it's signed, look at that. How cool is that? Super special. Oh. Did somebody say? Classic La Parka. What's going on? Oh no, I've got it in the wrong bit. There you go. Another La Parka, classic. Red. Red and green. What else do we have? Oh, we have our Mil Mascara patch. Super cool. A few more masks. Look at that one, how cool is that? Blast. I already have a blast, but is it different? You can tell it's different than the one I have. Very cool. And we have Rey Mysterio, but Coach edition. Lanyard. Another lanyard. Some iron-on patches, which probably put on a hat. Look at this one. Oh, that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.